Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're here on this lovely, what's tonight, Thursday? It's Wednesday. Well, technically it's Wednesday morning. It's Thursday morning. Sorry. And we're filming this lovely show right now because we're waiting for my friend Dana to come over.
She ain't coming over.
She just texted me to us. Oh. She's waiting for Nick. But it's like already 11 something.
It's 12:01.
Oh my god, it's already 12. No, 12:02 actually. So I'm ready to go to bed here pretty soon.
I'm gonna drink.
Oh no, you want to? Well, I guess we're gonna wait till she gets here and then start drinking. Anyway, so we're pretty bored right now. Usually we film a video every time we get together during the winter break. So that's what we're doing right now.
I don't even know his piercing. Yeah, my nose piercing. It's official.
Oh, tomorrow we're going to Spokane Valley Mall to get her nose pierced. Hopefully to get her another tattoo. Because she was supposed to get the same tattoo as I was.
Well, it depends on how much it is. If it's like $50, oh, hell yes, I'm getting it.
Okay, look. She has to get this tattoo to match mine. And she never did. And I got it like almost 6 months ago.
Well, because in California you have to be 18. Regardless if you have a parent's consult or not.
Yeah.
But it's Idaho. Redneck village, so it's kind of like
redneck town.
Do what you want. You only have to be 17.
Dude, this place sucks. I'll just state that first and foremost. I want to go. I hate Idaho.
That's to all you fuck faces that fucked you over. Kiana, Megan, and Taylor. Fuck 3 of you.
Well.
All 3 of you can go suck on a panda's dick for all I care. Okay? And like choke on it. Especially you, Kiana.
Okay, you know I'm putting this on Facebook.
I don't care. Put it on Facebook. I don't care. They all can suck dick.
Anyways. Oh! I gotta show my new bracelet I got.
Right. Nice drugs.
So I got this bracelet from the sex store. Isn't it awesome?
Nice jugs. It's
kind of like I heart boobies, but I thought I'd be a little less mainstream and just go with like flat out, you got nice jugs. Oh, and I like girls. I mean, I'm not afraid to admit it.
She's a lesbian, everybody.
Not total lesbian, but I'm yeah. Oh, and for all y'all who are watching this who I went to Redondo with and who don't know.
Why do you still have that thing in your lip?
Anyway.
Is that like this weird new look?
I mean,
it's
I'm not.
To be like a freaking rebel.
Oh, what that would suck if you get your tongue or your tongue pierced and it got stuck on your lip ring.
It has.
That would suck.
Look, I need it right now. Hold on.
Mine never gets stuck.
Well, I can't do it now, but I did it in class one time. It like hooked, and I was like,
because you're retarded. Anyway, so I don't even. What was the point
I'm
of
not
this video?
retarded. I'm just slow.
What was the point of this video? I don't think that was a point.
Fuck bitches and get money.
Fuck bitches, get money. Oh, excuse me. I'll watch my mouth.
Oh God. Okay, we have yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, I'll tell you for later.
What?
Yeah. Fuck you.
Anyway, so
get money. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice.
This is our yearly video that we make. Oh, look at all the lights. Christmas, my mom likes to go all out during Christmas.
You should see the Santa elf.
There's one over there. Yeah, we have a Santa elf that drinks Jack. Like, legitimately,
she's like
duct tape the bottle of Jack to this thing. And it's weird. Like,
that's what she does.
Yeah.
Just like that.
So, anyway. Oh, I want to show my muscles.
I'm repping military. Oh. Milk cunt.
Milk cunt. Got a millicent here.
Mm-hmm. One more year left, and I'm out. Unfortunately,
I'm already out.
I don't want to be out.
I'm already out.
I don't want to be out.
Okay, so that should be it then.
That's sugar.
Oh, that's what that was.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we're done. Just gotta make our yearly video. Talk about nothing.
Random shit.
Peace out.
Peace like a river.
What?
Peace like a river. Yeah.
Whatever that means. Okay.
Just say it.
Peace and light, blahh.